This is our Group 1 semester project part 2. So the purpose of this lesson, it is designed for kindergarten through third grade. Students can sit on the carpet in a circle or in a group. The teacher begins with a discussion about why kindness is important. The students are invited to share how they feel when others have been kind to them. Then they can brainstorm as a class to come up with ways they show kindness to each other that week. The teacher can write ideas on a chart paper that's hung up on a wall to display in the classroom. The objective of this lesson is to create a classroom culture in which students can care for one another and feel safe by prompting kindness. During the part of the lesson where students brainstorm ways to show kindness to each other, one student points out how he shows kindness by helping his classmate with cerebral palsy, who uses a walker to navigate the classroom because she has something wrong with her legs. So this is how we would kind of handle that situation. My family just moved here from Nigeria. We eat different foods than everybody else does here.